Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I'd like to thank you for your positive comments on the previous panel. That is very encouraging to us and will ensure that we keep bringing you these sessions which are insightful and cutting edge. We now move on to the next session titled Building a Secure and Agile Data Driven Organization. And it's an honor and privilege to welcome and introduce Tausif Siddiqui, Solutions Engineering Manager Enterprise at NetApp. Tausif, over to you.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Economic Times Global Digital League. The pandemic has changed the world forever. There are numerous digital transformation initiatives being driven across organizations. Businesses has realized that speed is a new scale and traditional ways of doing business needs to change. The large enterprises are evolving quickly to compete with born in the cloud fintech organizations. More and more BFSI organizations wants to use data and AI to reduce cost, identify fraud, and improve customer service and customer retention. Since data is at the center of digital transformation, BFSI organizations are facing challenges breaking down data silos between products like mortgage, private finance, credit card, insurance, small business, retail banking, etc. These data silos prohibit the customers to leverage the true potential of data and generate competitive insights. Through digital transformation initiatives, the BFSI organizations are accelerating innovation to stay ahead of other FSI and emerging born in the cloud fintech competitors. And the data management challenges not only slows down the pace of digital transformation, in this regulated environment, they sometimes derail the entire transformation initiative. I am Tausif Siddiqui, and today I am going to speak about how BFSI customers can accelerate the pace of digital transformation by building a secure and agile data-driven organization. You would already know NetApp, but I will quickly walk you through NetApp company profile and our data fabric philosophy. We started as a storage company. We innovated at a great pace and for 29 years gave data management solutions to our customers that continues to solve real world business challenges. We are not generalists. With around 3 decades of experience in data management, we are a global cloud-led data-centric software company. We are the specialist in data management best suited to solve data management challenges in hybrid multi-cloud world. In 2015, we unveiled the NetApp Data Fabric to the world. Being an expert in data management, we foresaw the data-centric challenges of the hybrid multi-cloud world and started innovating with hyperscalers to build this data fabric. Recently, AWS launched a first-party service as FSx for ONTAP. Microsoft Azure has a first-party enterprise storage service called Azure NetApp Files, and Google Cloud Platform has Cloud Volume Service. The main objectives of these innovations were to provide enterprise-grade, high-performance, secure, and scalable data services within the hyperscale cloud. If you want to migrate SAP HANA to the cloud, SAP has certified NetApp Cloud Volume Service on GCP and Azure NetApp Files on Azure for SAP HANA deployments in the public cloud. NetApp enterprise-grade virtual controllers that enterprises have been using on-premise for a long period of time are now available in AWS, Azure, and GCP as Cloud Volumes on Tap, also known as CVO. With our products and services like Cloud Backup, Cloud Tiering, Spot, and many more, we are a leading data services provider for hybrid multi-cloud. NetApp Data Fabric helps customers seamlessly connect their on-premise environment to the public cloud of their choice and enable data visibility, data mobility, data security, data compliance, and availability across hybrid multi-cloud through a single pane of glass. As we say it, through Data Fabric, organizations can get access to data at the right place, at the right pace, at the right time, and at the right price. And then there are customer challenges. There are problems that we are hearing from our PFSI customers. The IT is being asked to manage remote workforce, and there is a increasing cyber security threat that's going on in the BFSI world. The IT team is being asked to migrate to the cloud. Every application that comes in, there should be a cloud first mandate or cloud first approach. Innovate at the pace of fintech disruptor, that has been a key demand by the business to the IT team. Then there is a rising cost of regulatory compliance that needs to be managed. Businesses are being always challenged with the budget, and the IT is being asked to do more with less. And then there is a general workforce skill shortages, particularly in IT and security for hybrid multi-cloud deployments. And then the biggest nightmare is fear of losing control of your data in this hybrid multi-cloud world, where the regulatory compliances and the data security is of paramount importance. And if you look at this screen, you will see that this is the era of rise of the data-driven organizations. Look at the big corporations that are there in the industry and how they exploit or leverage data to keep the competitive edge. And as our industry evolves, data is an increasingly important IT business driver. The criticality and the centrality of data are the only constants in our industry now. With the new predominance of data, how customers manage and consume data is also changing. According to IDC, by 2022, 40% of all data stored will be stored in the cloud. And that unprecedented importance and growth of data brings in very unique challenges that needs to be resolved. And becoming a data-driven organization is no small undertaking, because data is distributed, dynamic, and diverse, which brings in data management challenges that can delay or at worst derail the data transformation, the digital transformation initiatives of any organization. If we speak about distributed, today the data is available in handheld devices through your applications. It's available in various applications as a silo, and it will become more chronic when you will have a hybrid multi-cloud approach where the data will be available in silos across hybrid multi-cloud. And data is dynamic, unlike the compute, which is static, where you can switch on and switch off the compute. The data keeps on changing. The data is always dynamic, and the data needs to be consistent for the applications to consume. And data is diverse. You will have log data, you have file data, you have block data, you have structured data, you have unstructured data. Data is so diverse, and this diversity in data brings in a unique challenge to manage all these different type of data. On the internet, I recently read a Flexera Cloud Computing Trends 2021 State of the Cloud report, which was released somewhere in March. As per this report, 80% of enterprises have a hybrid cloud strategy. 92% have multi-cloud strategy, which puts hybrid multi-cloud as a leading deployment architecture of choice. The reports also states that in 12 months, a staggering 54% of enterprise workloads are expected to be in the public cloud. 59% of the customers named cloud migration as their key initiative. These data points clearly establish that enterprise organizations will adopt and embrace hybrid multi-cloud architecture as part of their digital transformation. But the problem again is that on-premise enterprise IT and the public cloud will create silos of data, which will be a management nightmare for all the customers. When the enterprises will decide to adopt and embrace the hybrid multi-cloud for their digital transformation, the businesses will face data management challenges because data is distributed, dynamic, and diverse. How do heavily regulated organizations in BFSI solve this data management challenge, which will become chronic in hybrid multi-cloud world, where customers will have to deal with multiple data silos across on-premise and multiple cloud environments? Across hybrid multi-cloud, NetApp Data Fabric solves these data management challenges across hybrid multi-cloud and accelerate digital transformation by providing a single pane of glass to manage this data across hybrid multi-cloud deployments. Customers will have one single view of data which can now be made available on-premise or in any of the cloud where it makes business sense. At the same time, customer can secure and protect the data and adhere to regulatory compliances. Further, with Data Fabric solution, customers can build resiliency in their cloud deployments, at the same time saving cost through NetApp technologies. NetApp unique approach to managing data holistically through Data Fabric enables organizations or our customers to innovate rapidly in any cloud by harnessing the power of cloud through data and data services. The customers can create new clouds by rapidly deploying cloud infrastructure in any of the cloud of their choice, and connect to any cloud by modernizing storage through data management, which has been provided through our Data Fabric. Successful data-driven organizations will adopt speed as a new scale for innovation. That's how they are going to compete with born in the cloud fintech organizations. They are going to embrace cloud as the platform and exploit data as the game changer. Leverage hybrid multi-cloud as the de facto IT architecture. Many of the customers that I spoke to have spoken about getting logged into one cloud service provider. Recently, I was speaking to one of the customers. They have created 3 landing zones in 3 different cloud service providers, or hyperscalers as we call them, and they have connected their data centers to these hyperscalers. They are ready. They have not migrated anything. They are just working on it, but they have created those landing zones and are ready. So it will be a de facto IT architecture going forward. And then implement Data Fabric to solve data management challenges in hybrid multi-cloud so that the silos can be avoided. There is the visibility through a single pane of glass, and then the compliance and the security requirements are met. NetApp Data Fabric will help accelerate digital transformation through secure and compliant hybrid multi-cloud. Because NetApp Data Fabric helps unlock the best of the cloud. You can decide which cloud offers what best, and you can go and leverage that particular solution in that particular cloud, and NetApp Data Fabric will enable that. NetApp brings optimization and enterprise data services to the cloud. Earlier, there were consumer-grade storage services which were available. Now the enterprise-grade services are available within the cloud. NetApp also helps bring the cloud-like capabilities on-premise through our Keystone offering, where you can consume the on-premise service as an SLA or as a subscription. And NetApp Data Fabric is the one which will help accelerate digital transformation through hybrid multi-cloud portfolio. NetApp delivers same on-premise simple data management experience across hybrid multi-cloud. That's why we call any cloud one experience. Please visit cloud.netapp.com for free trials of NetApp Cloud Portfolio and to build your own data fabric connecting your on-premise data center to AWS, Azure, and Google, primarily platform or hyperscale of your choice. NetApp Insight 2021 digital event is scheduled on 22nd of October 2021 in APAC, where the participants can meet the specialist of the hybrid cloud. Registration is free, and I urge you to search NetApp Insight 2021 digital event on internet and register yourself. In closing, please reach out to us. NetApp can help you build your data fabric to accelerate digital transformation through secure and hybrid multi-cloud. We do this through our data fabric and our hybrid multi-cloud portfolio, which you can go and explore through cloud.netapp.com. If you have questions, please visit our booth. Thank you for listening, and I wish you good time in Economic Times Global Digital League.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Tausif Siddiqui, Solutions Engineering Manager, Enterprise at NetApp, with his insights on building a secure and agile data-driven organization. Tausif, thank you so much for your insights, and we wish you and NetApp the very best going forward. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move on to the next session, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our partners for this summit. Presenting partner, Amazon Internet Services, co-powered by partner, Kyndryl, innovation partner, Dell Technologies, platinum partners, NetApp and Redington, gold partners, Commvault, Juniper Networks, exclusive networks, Fiserv and Checkpoint Software Technologies, associate partners, Polydatamatics and Jabra, supporting associations, Commodity Participants Association of India, Cyber Society of India, and National Accreditation Board for Hospitals. This summit is brought to you by ET Unwired and ET Edge. Do stay tuned in. We will be back on the other side with the next session.